We are making quick and healthy chicken dish, Turkish style chicken yahni with vegetables. Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. It is one pot, very easy to make dish. You can use any part of the chicken, preferably with bones for extra taste, and experiment with other vegetables too. Let's make it. For this dish, use the widest pan available. I'm using my copper pan. It's heating. I added about 3-4 tablespoons vegetable oil and going to fry my chicken pieces first. I'm using whole chicken except the breast. I cut them myself. If you like, you can use only a chicken thigh or drumstick. Just season it with some salt and I'm gonna fry them. I'm checking after about 4 minutes if it already has some color and nice smell coming from the skin. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare my veggies. I have a 2 medium-sized onion. I'm gonna roughly chop, not very small because we don't want to melt the onions. We want to see the pieces in a yahni recipe. So they are in big chunks, not too big of course. And going to add to my chicken, just trying to arrange so the onion pieces are on the bottom. And next here I have 2 carrots, 3 potatoes and a cup of green peas from the freezer and a couple of cloves of garlic. Again, I try to cut them in similar sizes because they will cook with the chicken, and if you make it very small, the veggie is going to cook earlier than the chicken and we don't want that. By the way, let me remind you that it would be very helpful to like and comment and share my videos if you like them, so it reaches to more people. I also have some green sweet peppers from the freezer. I'm gonna use them to flavor my yahni. My onions get some caramelized color, so I'm adding my peppers. Carrots. And going to steam them a bit before adding the other ingredients. As you can see, it doesn't have any water in it. In a way, I'm frying my veggies with the chicken pieces together before I add the water. So this is really essential to get more flavor out of everything before adding the water. If it was a summertime, I would add tomatoes, but since it is winter time and I have homemade tomato paste, I'm using that along with some hot red pepper paste. The red pepper paste, I know that many of you cannot find it. It's optional, but do add some tomato paste if you have for extra color and taste. Here are my peas. I'm going to steam and cook a bit more with the peas before I add my water for about 5 minutes. And here is the leftover chicken, the breast part. I cooked it. I have nice chicken broth I'm gonna use to flavor my chicken yahni with some of it. So all the flavors are combined together now, and I'm gonna add the chicken broth. I'm keeping some of the broth for making pilav or to use for my soups. You can also freeze the extra broth. So I added a bit more hot water until it covers the veggies and chicken. Seasoned it with more salt and red pepper. It is a paprika, ground red pepper. And cooked on low medium heat until it is soft for about 20-30 minutes. Let me give you a recipe of easy side dish you can make with it. In a wide pan, heat some olive oil and butter and fry vermicelli pasta or orzo pasta until it has some brown color and nutty smell coming out. Add 2 cups of bulgur wheat. This is another type, a wheat type we use to make pilavs as we do it from rice. You just saute everything for about 3-4 minutes and then add hot water. You can find the complete recipe on my channel along with other menu ideas. I will add the link in the description box below. So I hope you give it a try. Share your photos with me from my Instagram account Turkish Food and Travel. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.